So hello everyone, today I'll be continuing the computer portion. So the maths portion I've completed up to lesson 13 for general aptitude, and this will be for my part, that is general aptitude to imandagi wo, or I'll be continuing this computer portion. Computer portion I'll be covering some portions, and after that I'll be shifting to general English. So today's topic will be on computer and networking and World Wide Web. So tinta topics cover grow. So before we start the lesson, I'd like to explain something about the internet. So internet to it refers to a group of computer that is connected together. That is, suppose ekta computer eta computer itu tinta computer, so itu tinta equally connect korna rakhile it also consists of an internet, that is take a local area network bhi boy. And for example website ekta je so www dot suppose facebook.com, so facebook to ke ajukle to www stands for World Wide Web. So itu ekta access kuro kule World Wide Web to cholaimon in the internet. So let's start the MCQ. Question number 1. The vast network of computer that connects millions of people all over the world is, so all of the world people manaki connect koraki koi dike, it is also known as the internet. Next, the internet is a system of, so what is internet? Internet is a system of, so it is a system of interconnected networks. So computer connect karna dare iduki internet ko. Next, the internet is a, so internet to already kuanishna computer bishi connect karna dike, so it will be a large network of networks and internal communication system for business karne bi chola pore, aro communication system for the Indian government, so Indian government bi chola pore, and so it will consist of all of the above. Next, the internet allows to, so internet pa ki allow kore, so it will ba email ekta send koro pare, that is suppose to manu ekta ke mail send koro, suppose at suppose elrin@gmail.com. so suppose you want to send an email to Elrin, so you do email be send over the internet. View web pages, suppose you want to see Instagram page, so ekta Instagram page be you can use through the internet. And connect servers all over the world. Servers though means sub computer to connect over, so all this you can do it under the internet, so it will be all of the above. Next, which of the following is an example of connectivity? So connectivity to keze, it simply means internet as a floppy disk to keze, it is a memory storage device. Power cord to keze, power battery ba idu alag device kan connect korle power cord ko. And data means information. Internet was developed as, so internet to kinaga develop hoise kole to before internet develop hodam de United States of America kan defense forces kan army kan they wanted to communicate with one another, so takan DARPA kuna taishe ekta army ita Indian intelligence nishna DARPA kuna, so itu DARPA ba takan information do computer mojode share group mojode she itu Cold War time de, so this used by the military to share information ultimately led to the invention or the discovery of the internet. So due to this, the internet was formed in the 1950s, especially in the Cold War. So 1950s they developed after the World War II. Which of the following is a type of broadband internet connection? So broadband internet connection it is a dial-up. Ida to one modem jolai, that is Wi-Fi kan jolai. Holi pula to dial-up it will be like a telephone. So telephone network by join correction one. Next, what does the acronym ISP stands for? And ISP it stands for Internet Service Provider. Suppose to Geo fiber chole. It is the 4G. So 4G internet to Geo fiber chole shikli to Geo fiber ke internet service provider ko. That means taiwa internet to provide kore. And second is the symbiosis. To Nagaland symbiosis kana ekta company they provide internet connection, that they are also known as internet service provider. Next, question number 9. Your business has contracted with another company to have them host and run an application for your company over the internet. The company providing this service. So yes, I've already told you the company ki koi internet service provider koi. DSL is an example of which connection? So DSL it is also a broadband connection. Next, 11. The touch networks can be used for public internet access to hotspots such as restaurants, coffee shop, etc. So Wi-Fi that is suppose you are going in a restaurant, so utade bahar de free Wi-Fi gonna likhina dabo. So this is also known as Wi-Fi. Next, the standard protocol for the internet is, so internet ke connect korle kiba ekta lage a standard protocol, means by which you can connect to the internet, and this is also known as the TCP, that is transfer control protocol or internet protocol. That is idu by the internet data to send korbo ekta computer ba alag computer. So it is also known as TCP and IP. The TCP stands for transfer control protocol or internet protocol. Java to it is a Java is a it is a language, and HTML stands for hypertext markup language. It is also used for making website. Question number 13. In computing, IP address means IP address to it is also known as the internet protocol. IP address to suppose to Dimapur ba to la Facebook kulije. So suppose you live in Dimapur or to Facebook te to ekta crime grishe. For example, you are sending abusive messages, or you are carrying out fraud through the internet. Through Facebook you are so cyber security, especially from the police, they will check your IP address, means kundu jaga access kore. So tila suppose tu dimoborde tu supply colony de tu Facebook to chalana ti monegi damki de through Facebook. So the police will track your IP address to supply colony, and they will know your address through your IP address. So you should be very careful while using the internet. Next, question number 14. Each IP packet must contain, so each IP address address the key contain korole. So it should contain the source and destination of the address. Suppose the supply colony bati ekta manake, suppose supply colony te ekta manake te dhamki de through Facebook. So if the person lodges a complaint, your IP address will be tracked to your address. So this helps in tracking down thieves and those carrying out fraud. Next, number 15. An IP address is Dutch bit number. So IP address to act a series of numbers, and it consists of what? It will consist of a 32-bit number. Next, FTP can transfer file between any computer from having a internet connection. तो FTP दी क्या है? तो FTP तो ताई internet ला important part है, and FTP stands for file transfer protocol. That is, it will be option 1. That is file transfer protocol. Next, which of the following is the communication protocol that sets the standard used by every computer that accesses the web-based information? So communication protocol the key cholai it will be the HTTP, that is hypertext markup language. So HTTP the full form to in exam. So HTTP stands for hypertext transfer protocol. Next, the documents converted to touch can be published in the World Wide Web. So documents that is converted to the HTML, that is hypertext markup language, can be published in the web. Next, HTML is used for designing web pages. Here HTML stands for HTML though it is a language that is used for designing web pages, and it is used and it stands for hypertext markup language. Next, in HTML, text consists of keywords enclosed within. So it will consist of the angular brackets. For example, this HTML the head gonna title diwo aro body gonna start grow. For example, HTML is very basic language. Suppose you are creating a website on HTML. So HTML the website create crazy. So the website na suppose website thing kaze area de the title dikau munje, that is introduction dikau munje. So HTML the kina type grow, it will be head itu diwo itu, that is itu title angular brackets diwo head kuna. Suppose you want to give the title as NSSB, close the title aro the below the body the kiliko body konenga. So the HTML is used for making websites, and it is the angular brackets, these are used angular brackets idongi chole. Next, a telnet is what? Telnet is a protocol. Touch service allows a group of internet users to exchange reviews on some common topic. So it will be Usenet. Next, which protocol provides email facility among different hosts? So email facility to keep provide correlated, it will be SMTP. What is the full form of VoIP? So VoIP stands for, so this stands for voice over internet protocol, means voice chat over the internet. Next, which of the following protocol is used to receive email? So email receive correlate ki the POP3 Jolaimon. Next, the internet service that provides multimedia interface to available resources is called. So the available resources for the multimedia interface is also called the World Wide Web. That means World Wide Web pa to internet to access cover. Question number 28. The touch uses an addressing scheme known as URL to indicate the location of files on the World Wide Web. So URL do itu tila website la address ase uniform resource locator ko URL ko, and the URL is used to uses is the World Wide Web uses an addressing scheme known as the URL. URL the, for example, to www dot World Wide Web www dot or the URL that is uniform resource locator. For example, the Facebook aje to itu ki URL ko .com the domain name ase. So the Facebook stands for World URL, that is uniform resource locator. So question number 29 is, the World Wide Web is made up of a set of interconnected touch that are linked together over the internet. So World Wide Web to key connect it will be the web pages. Next, what is a website? So website ke asukule to if you look at the option, there is so a website is a location on the world wide web. Website to ekta location as suppose world wide web, the internet to bishi dangor jaga ase. For example, you want to access something www.facebook.com. so facebook basically the facebook to potai do. For example, www.gmail.com basically to suppose google.com basically to google te potai do. So idu tila address ekta signify kore and it is provided by the world wide web. Question number 31. A world wide web address is a unique name that identifies a specific touch on the internet. So it will be the website. A touch appearing on a website or web page opens another document when clicked. So a touch to it will be the hyperlink. A reference to data that reader can directly follow by selecting or hovering is so it will reference it will be the hyperlink. A website is a collection of so the question number 34. A website is a collection of web pages. Next, touch is a collection of web page and touch is the very first page you see in the opening the website. So suppose like the website like the you are opening Facebook. So over title de Facebook link in the home page and the touch is a collection of website. I already told you it is the web page. So web page has a and home page has a. Next, a browser it is used for accessing the internet. For example, common browser or Google Chrome has a alag to Opera as a Opera browser, and also there is another website called Internet Explorer. So different types of web browsers are there. So it is used for accessing the internet. So it is the software program to view the web pages on the internet. Next, conferences, Netscape, net metering, Internet Explorer enables touch. So Internet Explorer by key so Internet Explorer. So what does it do? It real lifetime conferencing that is net meeting conference itu sab to video conferencing Next, 30th, to view information on the web you must have a touch. So information what do we need? We need a web browser. Next, which key on the internet sets the full screen mode in most browser? So the full screen mode browser key it will be the F11. Next, in a web browser, which of the following is used to save frequently visited website? For example, to ekta website ekta bishi balake and you are visiting there and there, so it will be the favorites, that is CO. So the option will be 3. 40 is 3. Next, a touch contains billions of documents called web page is one of the most popular services on the internet. So billions of documents so it is also known as the web server. Next, what is URL? URL address to the uniform resource locator, and it is option 42 is 3, that is address of the web page. For example, www is Facebook basically the Facebook to URL as a. Next, which of the following is used by the browser to connect to the location of the internet resources? So the location to connect to the location of the internet resources, the browser uses what. So browser key realize it will be the URL. So with this the computer and networking World Wide Web has been completed. I'll be uploading the MCQ in the link description below. So thank you for watching and have a great time.